Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing guys how you can add emojis to your videos in CapCut PC. So just grab text here and just copy and paste the emoji from either a website, or you can even type it down using the keyboard they have in Windows. So just select the one you want, or you can like search for it. I'm just going to search for an emoji here. Clouds, maybe? I don't know. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Again, you can copy and paste it, or if you want a more like Apple emoji, you can just save the emoji as like a PNG and just apply it to your videos. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.